Hey guys, Simon from Australian Car Audio. Today we're looking at a brand new product, the Opsis dash cameras from Stinger Electronics. In today's video, we're simply going to be looking at what's inside the box. We will do a future video where we take a more in-depth look at the product, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with future videos. So Opsis have two models available, a 1080p Full HD model, as well as a 2K Quad HD version. In today's video, we're going to be looking inside the package of the FHD model. We will look at the 2K QHD in a separate video. Okay, so first we'll look at the outside of the box just quickly. Obviously the product is made by Stinger. This is the Full HD model, and here are some of the features they want you to know about. It has collision warning, parking mode, which is a very important feature, lane departure warnings, built-in Wi-Fi, and app enabled. Obviously that's what the Wi-Fi is for, and the app is obviously compatible with both Apple and Android phones. On the side of the box, you'll get a few extra features that they'll want you to know about, as well as the back will give you a little more information. And then on this side of the box is the package content, which is what we're going to be looking at today. Okay, so first we'll have a look at the camera itself. Quite small, compact, very, I guess, discreet design. Don't forget to lift off the adhesive off the lens there. On the back here, you've got a manual record button, as well as a Wi-Fi button to connect to your smartphone and use the app. You've got the port for the second channel, which is the rear camera. And you've also got the GPS adapter, which is sold separately. That's the camera, quite a nice design there. Let's have a look inside here. You got a quick start guide. So this will give you just a quick synopsis, downloading the app, how to do all that. Just look up Opsis on the App Store or scan the QR code just to make it simple. And you've got a few little quick tips and setup procedures. So this is the rear camera cable. It's quite lengthy because you need to feed this cable from the back camera, rear camera, back through the car and connect it to the 2-channel port on the front dash cam. But you've got plenty of length here on that cable to do so. Then we've got the 12-volt car charger, quick and easy, plug and play, and away you go to power up the dash camera. Now this here is actually the hardwire harness. Now if you want to utilize the parking mode, which is a very important feature in dash cams, parking mode will allow the camera to automatically turn on when it detects impact while your vehicle is parked. You do need the camera to be hardwired to utilize that feature, and a lot of dash cams do not come with a hard wiring kit. So this is in box and ready to go. It is highly recommended that you have this professionally installed. So unless you know what you're doing, you want to have this installed into your car by a car install specialist. But very handy that that comes with it, because like I said, a lot of dash cams you're required to purchase a separate product to be able to do the hardwire feature. Some adhesives here. So these would be for the rear camera cable that connects back to the front. Just some cable management adhesives to keep the cabling looking neat in the vehicle. So this is the mount for the camera itself. Easy, just slots on from here, slides in, and you're connected, and then you get an adjustable hinge there to adjust the angle depending on where you have it mounted in the vehicle, and it has a 3M adhesive to stick to your windshield. Oh, something else I forgot to mention, the camera does include a 32GB micro SD card, and if you can't find it in the box, it's actually already inserted into the camera. So again, a very good feature. A lot of dash cams that you purchase on the market require you to purchase your own memory card, and it also includes this SD card adapter. A lot of laptops and computers will have SD card readers. This will just make it easy. If you need to transfer any footage onto your computer or PC, you can slide the micro SD card into this adapter and read the files through your SD card reader. So handy little accessory there. And then the final thing in the box is the rear camera itself. So again, very small, very compact, very discreet. So it won't really get in your way. Adjustable angle there, and a 3M sticker to to attach it. So the rear camera cable will plug into here and connect back to the front dash camera. So that is what you get inside the box for the Opsis Dashcam Full HD Edition. If you guys are considering getting this camera and you have any questions, please leave us a comment, or maybe if you've already bought this camera, let us know what you think. And if you're interested in the high resolution 2K edition, we will unbox that one in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to support the channel, make sure you give this video a like and consider subscribing to the channel to stay up to date on future videos.